In this episode, we spend our last days on the Atlantic side of Panama in Puerto Lindo. For the first few days, the seas made the anchorage quite rolly and it was hard to get much done. But as soon as the sun came out, we stretched our legs and took a walk along the road to the cute local town where the local fauna was quite impressive. We then managed one last trip through the stunning water road and the mangroves before finally saying goodbye to our last stop in the Caribbean. Here is our beautiful home, a 1982 Cal 39. Join us each week as we sail to new places and show you what it's like to be able to pick up your anchor and sail your home to wherever you want.
So normally when you wake up in the morning and in an anchorage, there are typically new boats around, but not like this one. That thing is massive. Wow. Yeah, that was a surprise walking out this morning.
Alright, so we've been in Linton Bay for a few days now. I'm actually not quite sure how long. And it's just been super rolly. So I am taking this time to head to shore so I can get some work done on the computer and be on steady land. I'm going to go to shore, take the trash in, and Ruri, what are you doing today?
I guess gonna go through all the clamps, hose clamps, see which ones are rusted out and need to be changed out, and check the engine for oil and just regular maintenance.
Yeah, maintenance on the engine.
Yeah, make sure everything's okay for when we cross the canal. We don't have any failures.
Ruri likes to watch the YouTube. So, you're gonna move some joints around today?
I'm gonna try.
You're gonna try, exactly. Yeah, it's been kind of like the whole time we've been here, it's been super rolly. You can't tell right now, but we're swaying side to side. I don't know, maybe like this is what we're doing. Whee! No, it's really not that bad, but it is really annoying. It's really bad. And it's been kind of shitty and cloudy. Not very nice weather, so it's been hard to get motivated to do anything, but on a mission today, get some things done. Yeah. See you later. Yeah, we're actually pretty far out. I mean, it's kind of harder to anchor as you get closer to the marina because there's just so many moorings, but it'd be really nice to be inside there. Actually, I just forgot something from the boat. I gotta go back. Whoops. Alright, round number 2. I got the bike helmet. I've been selling some things that have been on the boat. Well, actually they came from Ruri's boat, but I'm trying to sell some things. And yeah, there's a lady in town. Took the bike helmet, but none of the other stuff I really actually want to get rid of. So hopefully, just keep listing it and hopefully we'll get it sold at some point. The less stuff on the boat, the better. Right at the dock. Not only did I forget the bike helmet, I forgot my shoes. So I'll be using Ruri's flip-flops. Oh. A little big, but they work. biggest yacht and probably the nicest yacht in this whole marina got the shitty end of the stick, having to park right next to the trash bins. But they probably can't smell it all the way up there, so. Crazy watching all the boats swing around. All projects done, baby?
The majority.
The majority. Woo! We are rocking and rolling right now. Here we go. Oh man. The sun needs to come out at some point. And this roll needs to stop. It's going huge right now. I wish I had a better way to show how much all the boats in this anchorage are rolling. It's kind of crazy. Oh my god. Okay. Good morning. It's finally a beautiful day here. Woke up and the sun was out and there's this gorgeous breeze happening right now. I just feel so rejuvenated after like a week of rain here. I don't know how, I have to figure out how long we've been here now, but it's just like to finally see the sun in the morning and wispy clouds in the sky. It's just like, it's amazing. So woke up, did a good stretch, and made some coffee, and now I'm making water. And I think later we're gonna go for a nice walk. So stretch our legs and enjoy this gorgeous weather while we have it. Hopefully it lasts a while, but it's just so nice. So nice to see the sun. Excited to stretch my legs and go for a walk today. Just saying to Riri, normally I complain about if it was this hot every day, but we haven't seen the sun in so long. I'm not gonna complain. So we've never walked to town. We've always taken the dinghy straight to town, but our friend does this run every day, all the time. So I said to Riri, we need some exercise. We need to stretch our legs. Right?
Yep, I'm getting off the boat and I'm gonna stretch our legs.
And explore. We've only been along this road by car, so. They're so pretty. There'll be some bananas ready for the picking soon. I still need to find a mango tree.
Find lots of mango trees. There's no mangoes.
Yeah.
Lots of trees. It's not that season.
Not the season.
Like, look at this one.
Ooh, look at those. They're huge. What are they? Oh yeah. Hi guys. Hello. Aw, they look so cute. I know. Hi guys. Hello. Aw, they're cute. So we already made it to Puerto Lindo. I think it took about the same time as it does a dinghy to Puerto Lindo.
No.
It was not a very long walk at all, but still good.
like a 15-minute walk instead of a 5-minute dinghy ride.
Yeah, yeah. So that's our local grocery store. They don't have much, but they have the basic necessities. Right?
Yeah, it's is what it is.
Este pollo y este filete de pollo, costilla de puerco, rib, y este es filete de vaca.
So that's where we get the veggies. The veggie truck comes every day to the marina, which is quite nice. It's a little bit more expensive than in Bocas. But he comes straight to the marina, so it's pretty nice, and he has good stuff. So, all set for groceries. Last time we were here in Looking forward to a good tasty meal. I don't think he wants to play with you. Run away. We had a lovely evening eating dinner at Panama. It's not often we go out to eat, but it's so nice to grab a well-cooked meal done by someone else. If you're ever in Linton Bay, I highly recommend going to pay them a visit. It was dark on our return to our boats, so we had to navigate through the mangroves in the complete dark with just a flashlight. It gets rather spooky going through at nighttime. Just a couple days later, I had picked up my friends who came down to act as our volunteer line handlers for the crossing. As you may have seen in the last episode, while anchored in Linton Bay, we attached ourselves to a 10-foot radar post from a very big boat. It was extremely heavy, but Rui managed to work his magic and get us free before we finally said goodbye to Linton Bay and the Caribbean for good. Finally getting out of Linton Bay for the last time, so goodbye Linton Bay! Next week, we start making our way to the Pacific by transiting one of the 7 wonders of the modern world, the Panama Canal. Until next time, cheers!